Bay Windows Miami Beach is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of bay window styles available, residents can choose from traditional to modern designs that suit their personal taste and home architecture. Bay window contractors in Miami Beach offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process, providing custom bay windows that fit perfectly into any space. Custom bay windows. Miami Beach are designed to meet the specific needs and preferences of homeowners. These windows offer a unique blend of style and practicality, allowing for increased natural light and improved views. Bay window experts in Miami Beach can guide you through the customization process, ensuring that your new windows complement your home's existing design while providing the desired functionality. Energy-efficient bay windows. Miami Beach are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced materials and technologies that help to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bay window specialists in Miami Beach can help you select the best energy-efficient options for your home, ensuring maximum savings and comfort. Bay window replacement in Miami Beach is a service offered by experienced bay window contractors who understand the unique challenges of the local climate. Whether you're dealing with outdated windows or damage from storms, bay window replacement can enhance your home's appearance and performance. Bay window repair services in Miami Beach are also available for minor issues, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bay windows. Miami Beach design is all about creating a harmonious blend of form and function. With a wide range of bay window materials to choose from, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, homeowners can select the perfect option to match their home's style and budget. Bay window dimensions can be customized to fit any space, providing a tailored solution that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Bay window cost in Miami Beach varies depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the installation. However, the benefits of bay windows, such as increased natural light, improved ventilation, and enhanced curb appeal, often outweigh the initial investment. Bay window features like built-in seating or storage can add even more value to your home, making them a worthwhile addition. Bay window upgrades in Miami Beach can transform your living space, offering new opportunities for relaxation and enjoyment. From adding window seats to incorporating decorative glass, bay windows. Miami Beach enhancements can elevate your home's interior design. Bay window maintenance in Miami Beach is essential to keep your windows looking and functioning their best, with regular cleaning and inspections recommended. Bay window solutions in Miami Beach are tailored to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Whether you're looking for bay window options that offer increased privacy or those that maximize views, bay window services in Miami Beach can provide the perfect solution. Bay window trends in Miami Beach often focus on maximizing natural light and creating open, airy spaces that connect the indoors with the outdoors.